How to find the first use date of iPhone's battery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here you will see the option for battery, tap on that. Further, go ahead and tap on the battery health option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, navigate to the first use tab and you will be able to see the date plus the month of the first day your battery was used. So this is how you can find first use date of iPhone's battery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.